Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how you can find a printer for your print job reports, and this will be for FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make sure and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. Now, we've just covered a few different things like the preferences and the printer selection. So now if we go to the print report, we've got this option to find a printer. So now let's say for some reason your printer is not located over here. Then what you can do is you can go to find printer to select it. But I do recommend make sure your printer is first switched on. Otherwise, even find printer, you might not find it there. So now, after your printer is switched on and plugged into your computer, give it a few seconds, maybe half a minute or so for Windows to set it up. And then what you can do is you go to find printer. And then by default, it's going to take you to your network area, and this is normally where your printers will be. So if you have, let's say, multiple printers, they're going to be located here. I don't have any setup at the moment, but what you would do is then just select the printer you want from the list and say select here at the bottom. And once you've done that, the printer should pop up here on this list on top. You can click on it and look at the status to make sure it is ready, and you can also look at the location of that. And then with that printer selected, you can go to preferences and set up all the relevant settings for that. But otherwise, so just a quick recap. If you want to find a printer, just make sure it is switched on and plugged into your computer, and give it a few seconds after you've done that just for the Windows to set it up properly. And then you want to go to find printer under normally your network location, select it, and then make sure it is selected on this top menu as well. And then you can simply go print and it should be fine. But otherwise, that is it on finding a printer. We head here to softwaretraining.co.za. Guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.